These corridors of Aranpoda school, they may be narrow by any normal standards, but for us they are the corridors of power. These are corridors where powerful connections are being built. I've spent a lot of valuable time bonding with my children in these narrow corridors. The children, when they come out during their break, spend time listening to them. It's been a great learning experience for me. Space has been a huge constraint for us, but you know what? We've never let that come in the way of achieving what we want to achieve. In fact, if you ask me, this constraint has actually made us more creative. And I've gotten to believe that the more obstacles and bottlenecks we face, the more creative we become as problem solvers. And in this, technology has been a huge help. We've always been a technology driven school, but we use technology not for the frill value, but because it served some end, some purpose for us. It's always been a felt need, a continuously evolving sense of learning, finding, exploring new methods, new solutions which would help us to face and handle the constraints that we were facing. We had a space constraint, and that translated into a time crunch, and we were looking for a solution which was free to use, not expensive, maybe which was easy to customize and which was easy for teachers to use. And that's how we've been continuously learning technology tools to basically enable our processes and make us more efficient and more effective. Technology, to my mind, has been a great leveler for teachers, for students. The bond between the teacher and the student has become that much stronger, because this was a situation where the teachers were nervous about using new technology, and they were hesitant to make mistakes in front of the students. And then when students came to their help, and there was a kind of a role reversal that happened, and the bond that was developed between the teacher and the taught became that much stronger. So to my mind, technology is not something that breaks human relationships or dehumanizes education. It's something that actually builds a stronger connection between the teacher and the taught. My belief is that technology can actually empower teachers, it can motivate them, it can help them to become better at their work. And in our experience, teachers have really shown that when they have faced the camera to video capture their lessons, or they've tried out a new app, or they've tried out a new software, they felt very proud of the work that they've done. So to my mind, technology does not replace a teacher. It actually gives her more power to make her work better and more efficient, to raise her self-esteem, and to be able to feel proud of the work that she's doing. If you've learned some technology and you're able to share it, I mean, the amount of sharing and collaboration that has happened because of the use of technology is immense. And in this age of the 21st century, where we're talking about building skills of communication and collaboration, technology has been a great boon. Our journey with technology actually started from this very room. In fact, this very spot, I remember back in 2003 when I just joined the school, and I learned Microsoft Word myself in order to take a session with the teachers, in order to make them familiar with the icons and all the various terminology of Microsoft Word. To maybe again, I think 8 years later in 2011, when we started looking for open source software which could help us. And I remember telling my teachers that we're going to learn about Google Drive, not knowing anything about Google Drive. And we said, okay, we're going to all together learn about Google Drive. And today the entire school is running on Google Drive, and we are a Google Apps certified school. And I think the journey has been extremely rewarding, extremely meaningful for all of us who've been through this. There have been times where we felt that we've been pulled out of our comfort zone. We sat up, we burnt the midnight oil, but we've really felt enriched and very, very excited about learning.